When cataloging in bulk in Listernaut with a fixed amount of pictures, we'll create a new pod. We give it a name with no spaces, and then we get started. We'll click bulk. Then we're going to upload our files by choosing our files, select all up to 500 at a time. Then what we're going to do is a fixed lot size. Each picture, we did 2 pictures of each item. So you can see that we broke that down into our lots. It separated them for us. Now we're going to update our pod. Go ahead and click continue there. If you're done, you'll just X out. If you want to add more, you can. Now we're going to add our AI tone, the prompt we created. Then we click options, then analyze, and it starts to write our titles and descriptions. Takes a couple seconds. Now click that eyeball icon and you can see what it's done. If you want to make any additional edits, you can click on the pencil icon and see what the work has put out. From here, you click save once you're done QCing, and then you can standardize your title as well. In this case, we have the high bid standardization to cut our character count down to 50. From here, we can also change our lot numbers in bulk. Click save. And then now we launch this out to our Listernaut account, which will allow us to put it on any platform with CSV or API connections. Thanks for watching. We hope we can help you out very soon.